Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Overwatch 2 voice chat not working on PC. So in this video I will show you a couple of ways how you can fix that, and without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to on search on your search bar here, and you just need to write check for updates here. And once you're here, then you need to press check for updates button, and you need to look if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it. And if so, you just need to do so, and then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another way how you can fix basically voice chat not working on Overwatch 2, you just need to go to device manager, and then you need to basically expand audio inputs and outputs, and you just need to update your microphone and your sound drivers. So for me is Blue Snowball, and if you don't know what name is your microphone or your, for example, headset, you can update these drivers. You can update all these drivers if you want to. But if you know the name, you just need to right click on it, go to properties, not properties, right click on it, go to update driver, then press search automatically for drivers. And then if you're getting this message, the best drivers for you for your device are already installed, you're good to go here, right? And if the problem persists, then another way how you can fix that, you need to go to control panel, and you need to go to sound then, and then on playback, make sure you set up your output device on default, and on you set up on default device and set as a communication device here, and then go to properties and go to advanced, and make sure this option is not selected. Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. And then after you do so, then you need to go to recording, locate your microphone. If it's not set up on the default device, make sure to do so. Just set up, as you can see here, set as default device, set as the default communication device. And after you done that, try your microphone. And if the problem persists, then another way how you can fix that is you need to go to sound mixer options, and then make sure again your output and input device here is either on default or the name of your devices here. And then of course make sure that the volume is not muted or not on 0. Typically it's on 50 to 80%. And then if we scroll down on apps, make sure that again Overwatch here is not muted and it has the right amount of sound here. You can click on it, and you can set up your output and input device as default or the name of your microphone. You can test it out. Maybe it will work for you just by changing these simple options here if you want to. And if the problem here persists, then you need to go to in-game in Overwatch 2, and then you just need to press escape button, go to options, go to sound, voice chat, and then you need to go to channels, and here make sure again here the volume is on the right amount, from 50 to 80%, maybe more if you want to. And then here on group voice chat, team voice chat, match voice chat should be on auto join, and voice chat nameplate icon should be on. And on voice chat devices, make sure is on default devices, and voice chat mode is up to you. What's more convenient way for me is open mic, because I'm using controller, but if you're using mouse and keyboard, probably push to talk it will be the more convenient way for you to play and communicate with your team, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.